Hands united, exploring the power of unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and powerful phrase, hands united. This phrase is not just about the literal meaning of joining hands, but it carries a deeper significance in various contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means. Hands united simply refers to the act of people joining their hands together. It's a physical action often seen in team sports, group activities, or during a show of solidarity. This physical joining of hands symbolizes unity, cooperation, and shared purpose. Social and political movements. In social or political movements, hands united represents unity against a common cause or challenge. It's a powerful symbol of solidarity and collective strength. Teamwork and collaboration. In a team setting, this phrase emphasizes the importance of working together towards a common goal. It underlines that success is achieved not individually, but through collaborative efforts. Cultural and global unity. Globally, hands united can symbolize the idea of different cultures and nations coming together for a common purpose, promoting peace and harmony. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. The community's hands united to support the victims of the natural disaster. The team's hands united in the final moments of the game, showing their unbreakable bond. Artists from around the world united their hands to create a masterpiece symbolizing world peace. I hope this video helps you understand the depth and versatility of the phrase, hands united. It's a beautiful expression of unity and collaboration, transcending its literal meaning to embody a deeper sense of togetherness. Remember, together, we can achieve more. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.